In this video, I'm going to show you how to use StockArkaLytics Chart Analysis tool step by step. Hi, I'm Annie from StockArkaLytics, and if you're struggling with how to navigate the StockArkaLytics Chart Analysis dashboard, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so that you can successfully take advantage of our professional insights. Let's get started. So go ahead and meet me on the Chart Analysis tab of StockArkaLytics.com. Now on the Chart Analysis page, you have two ways to analyze a chart. You can either fetch live/historical market data directly inside StockArkaLytics, or you can upload an image of your own chart. In this video, we're going to start with the Fetch Data tab, which is the fastest way to get a clean, consistent chart into the analyzer. Now at the top, you'll see a few global controls. First is Analysis Type. This is basically the mode your analysis will run in. Next is Depth. I'm using Deep. That tells the AI to go more detailed, market structure, indicators, levels, and the report breakdown. Then there's Style. Mine is set to default SMC. That means that the analysis will lean into smart money concepts like order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity zones, and structures. But as you can see, there are other options for style. Over on the right is Include SPX Correlation. If you toggle that on, the analysis will add market context. Basically, is this moving with the broader market or doing its own thing? Now right here is where you choose your input method. Fetch Data pulls real price history. Upload images for when you already have a chart screenshot from TradingView or somewhere else. Now here's the ticker symbol field. Type the ticker you want, like AAPL, and this is what the chart will load. This little star is a quick save shortcut so you can favorite or bookmark tickers you check often. Next is interval. This controls the time frame of each candle, so 1 day means each candle is 1 trading day. And limit days controls how much history you pull. In this example, it's set to 640 trading days, which gives enough context for trend, pullbacks, bases, and bigger levels. Once those are set, go ahead and hit Fetch Data. That loads the chart on the right and primes everything for the AI report. On the right, you'll see the fetched chart. This preview is important because it's exactly what the AI is going to analyze. It may take a minute to load, but usually this is pretty fast. Here you can visually confirm time frame, trend direction, and whether you pulled enough history. Up top, you'll see the label and candle count. Here it's showing 640 candles each of a day. You'll also see overlays like moving averages, volume bars, and indicator panels depending on what's enabled. This next box here on the left is your analysis steering wheel. If you want the AI to always include specific checks like gaps, structure, liquidity, you put it here. For example, you can type in, identify CME style gaps, call out smart money footprints like order blocks and fair value gaps, and explain candlestick patterns. If you've been experimenting and want to go back, hit reset to clear or restore this section. Under Advanced, you can edit the system prompt. This is for power users. If you want the AI to follow a specific format, prioritize certain strategies, or consistently output a certain structure. This changes how the AI thinks and writes, tone, structure, and what it emphasizes. If you mess something up, reset default and bring it back to the recommended baseline. Alright, now I'm going to hit Analyze Chart. StockArkaLytics captures the chart, runs it through the AI pipeline, and then generates a full report, both on page and as a downloadable PDF. This might take a hot minute to load, so once it's loaded, just go ahead and meet me on the page. After a short load, you'll get the full report and the PDF. Up top, you'll see the AI-powered chart analysis report with the ticker name, the model used, and the timestamp, so you know exactly what was analyzed and when. This Download PDF button exports everything you're about to see into a clean, shareable report. The first section is the quick snapshot. Trend regime, the gem score, your up-down signals, and the current status, so you instantly know whether it's a go or a watch. Below, here's the AI's bottom line. An action like watch, buy, or sell, the conviction level, and whether or not it qualifies as a gem. In this example, it's a watch with medium conviction, and it's not a gem yet. The executive summary is a short, plain English explanation of what the chart is doing and what the AI expects next. Trend, base, and what needs to happen for confirmation. Next, you'll see the key metrics driving the decision, plus breakout blockers, basically what is missing right now, like trend not aligned or momentum not confirmed. Now, the risks and triggers section is the if this, then that section. The main risk, which is what could break the setup, the upgrade, what would flip it more bullish, and the downgrade, what would invalidate it. The price levels section is the important support and resistance levels the AI is using. This is your line in the sand zone. After that, the report goes a bit deeper. Market structure, SMC zones like order blocks and liquidity, candlestick notes, momentum, RSI, and MACD, and volume behavior, all organized so you can validate the story yourself. Finally, you'll get option strategy ideas that match the setup, plus price targets and risk management so you're not guessing entries and invalidation. So that's the full flow. Fetch your chart, analyze, get a snapshot and the reasons behind it, key levels, deeper technicals and option strategy ideas, plus a PDF you can save or share. Now you can go ahead and scroll back up and I will show you the Upload Image tab of this page. So now in the Upload Image tab, I've gone ahead and uploaded a chart of Apple itself from TradingView. Now it'll take a minute for the report to load, depending on, if you've done this before or not. But basically, as you can see here, everything is pretty much the exact same as the fetch data, except in this case, you're uploading your own chart rather than using one provided by StockArkaLytics. But if you go ahead and scroll through this report, you'll see that the data is the exact same because the ticker is the exact same. So you know that StockArkaLytics data is accurate. And that's it for the chart analysis tab. Go ahead and explore with it on your own. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And make sure to subscribe so you get more tutorial videos on how to use StockArkaLytics next time on.